Here we are, folks, in a commercial job in the Toronto area, up here in actually Aurora. We are doing a green space commercial job for their office and bathrooms and hallways. Give us a call. We are called Prestige Tile Installers in the GTA Toronto area, north, east, west, south of the city. Our number is 416-937-8115, and we'll give you great professional advice and tile installations of our celebration of 30 years. Long time laying tile, a lot of miles and miles of tile. So anyone who's looking for heated floors, leveling, dry pack, any type of tile, 24 by 24, porcelain, marble, granite, travertine, and every type of tile, this is what we do. So commercial, residential. As you see here, we have a 12 by 24 porcelain tile. It's not marble. They wanted a straight lay, not in a brick joint, because some of you who are looking into the porcelains, probably, I would say about 75% of the porcelains are a little bit bowed, so it is difficult to actually do a brick joint. So following the bows of the tile, if you look like you're shooting a little rifle along the length of the tile, you'll see if it's going straight or bowed. So it's just something to think about when you're picking out a tile. So I'm just going to run through here. We have a little kitchenette thing, a little backsplash, 12 by 24 white, simple, commercial style. And now we're leading into the bathrooms. So here we have white wall tile, nice rectified 12 by 24. Straight lay again, people. It looks really crisp and straight. You see the tile, not a lot of joints, very nice, tight and straight joint, as you can see. We are putting a green band 4-inch on top here on the next row and continuing with the rest of the tile to the ceiling. So you know what we do is we skim coat all the walls, give it a nice coat before installing the tile, give it an extra strength on the walls, so durability and longevity of your project will last you quite a bit. So we are going into just a little slop sink laundry room here. Again, this will be all tile on the walls. We have block walls, so then we have drywall here, and you know, our multi-purpose floor adhesive, wall adhesive is very strong and durable. So we're able to do our exterior and interior tile installations. So again, as you can see, the client just does a straight lay, nice. So you can see the tile, nice full tile and less joints on the floor, straight lines, nice and tight. So makes the job plain and simple, people. But you know, this floor did have some issues with some waves and up and down. So we did straighten out the floors, not with self-leveling, but dry pack, of course. So as you can see in our videos, 20 or 30 of them, how we mix and spread the dry pack on residential, commercial, to get our tile installations done right. So again, people, anyone who is looking for kitchen, bath, basements, residential, heated flooring, water system, or heated cables or mats, any type of tile, we are licensed tile setters. This is what we do. This is what we offer people with the experience, and guarantee that you know, we actually have laid tile for quite a long time, not just a company name where, yeah, we know lay tile and cause a disaster. So be very careful on picking your contractor. Again, give us a call at 416-937-8115 and we'll gladly come and give you any professional advice that you need to know and the do's and don'ts of going the wrong way, get your job done right the first time. So we'll show you a little bit more on the videos on the rest of the bathroom, the finished look, so you could be the judge on our quality work and so on. There's about 800 feet of floors here and about 400 feet of walls, people. So any type of tile, again, leveling floors, heated floors, wiring, water system, kitchen, bath, basements, we do it all. 30 years, our anniversary is up here now, so we're celebrating this wonderful 2016. Take care, folks. See you and talk to you later on our videos. Ciao.